So today I'm super excited because I got a package. Yeah, courier delivered it just this morning and I know what it is. So let me first explain. So I've got this 1970 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, and I've slowly been doing upgrades and modifications to it. Long story short, this is something I've been looking for a long time, and it was really hard to find, and I don't know why, but yeah, I've went to multiple auto stores, Midas, AutoZone, everything, nothing. I've tried to import it from overseas, package got lost. But then finally I actually found it at an electronic supplier. So yeah, basically it's not a brick and mortar store, it's a supplier. So basically I got a quote and I ordered it. So if you're in the same position as me, some door jamb switches, which finally I found at I found it at Communica, I believe it's .co.uk. Okay, and I thought it would only be one, but yeah, so I've got two. So I've got a spare, which is awesome, because things like the alarm system that I've installed in the truck need these, and the truck didn't come with these, and so now I can actually use them. Let's see. And when I basically close my door, the light will turn off. Open my door, makes contact, light goes on, which is pretty awesome to finally actually have this. Yeah, so hey guys, so yeah, I'm looking to actually install these door jamb switches today, or not necessarily today, but okay. Therefore I've got a drill, and I'm gonna start making the holes. It's a 7mm drill, if anyone was wondering. As you can see, I've already made a small, I believe that was a 6mm hole, but the switch didn't fit, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, fits in there nice and snugly. Let's quickly do the other side. Okay, so we'll continue on other side. And the set might be getting a bit too hot. Okay, so let's try that again. Still the same. Feel them close. Okay. Okay, like the saying goes, third time lucky. There. And yeah, we've got the hole, and you can see it fits pretty darn well. Awesome. Hey guys, so it's the next morning, and basically I'm busy doing the wiring for the door jamb switches. So a little trick, if for anyone who might not be familiar with wiring or struggles with it, you take some of this, basically some fence wire, just some really thin wire, and then you actually, there you can see the one end sticking out. Put that through the holes where you actually want to guide the wire, and then you just tighten it here. The thing is, this kind of metal wire is much more rigid, so it's much easier to get through holes, and obviously it's much thinner. So also, so if like this, and if all goes well, also just a bit in the way. Okay, no. And there we have it, folks. It went right through. Now, if I just slowly work it through. Awesome. So I'm just gonna take my number 11 spanner with it. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 gallons for this, but I think you get where this is going. Okay, so it's not the tidiest bit of work that I've ever done, but I'd like to show you. I've connected it to this switch, which in turn goes to the cabin light. Now, if I turn on the switch, you'll see the cabin lights on, and then see, turn on the switch. Right. Close the door, cabin lights off. Open it, on.